Ladybugs and butterflies, buzzing bees and fireflies, teeny tiny little ants crawling up and down the plants. Many insects can be found in the sky, on the ground. Good morning, my little champs. How are you today? I hope you all are fit and fine. I am your Bansri ma'am. And today I am going to teach you general awareness subject. Children, can you tell me which topic we are going to revise today in general awareness? Yes, we are going to revise the topic of insects which you have already learnt in the previous session of general awareness. So let us start. Can anybody tell me what are insects? Children, insects are very small creatures that are commonly seen around us. Some insects can fly with their wings and some are seen on the ground. Children, we have to always keep our house neat and clean to avoid insects because insects bites are very harmful for our health. Okay, so let us revise about insects.
Kids, do you know which insect is this? Yes, this is an ant. बच्चों, ant को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं पता है? Ant को कहते हैं चींटी. Ant lives in anthill. An ant loves sweet food like sugar and chocolates. Now tell me, which insect is this? Yes, this is a honeybee. Do you know honeybee makes sweet honey and it lives with many other bees in beehive. This is a grasshopper. It is green in color. Do you know what does grasshopper eat? Grasshopper eats grass, leaves and crops. Kids, now tell me which insect is this? Yes, this is a housefly. Housefly यानी कि मक्खी. Housefly can fly up to down and backward. Kids, now tell me which insect is this? Yes, this is a colorful butterfly. It has a slim body and it has two large wings. Do you know butterflies are the most beautiful insects? आपको पता है बटरफ्लाई को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? बटरफ्लाई को हिंदी में तितली कहते हैं. Children, this is a ladybug. It is a small flying insect. It is red in color with black dots on its body. This is a cockroach. It is a common kind of insect. Cockroaches are black or brownish in color. Kids, do you know cockroaches are very active at night and they use their antennas to smell and taste their food. Now tell me which insect is this? This is a mosquito. Mosquito यानी कि मच्छर. Mosquito likes to live in grass and they are commonly seen in our houses. Mosquitoes bite can be very harmful to us because it spreads fever like dengue and malaria. बच्चों, मॉस्किटो से बचने के लिए हम क्या लगाते हैं? मम्मा क्या लगा के देती है आपको? यस, ओडोमॉस, है ना?
Children, now I am giving you a worksheet for your practice work.
Children, in this worksheet, you have to identify the insects and you have to circle them. So, let us see the first picture. This is a butterfly. Butterfly is an insect. So, we will circle the butterfly. Now, let us see next picture. This is a lion. Lion is a wild animal. So, we will not circle the lion. Now, let us see next picture. This is a cockroach. Cockroach is an insect. So, we will circle the cockroach. Now, let us see next picture. This is a cow. Cow is a domestic animal. So, we will not circle the cow. Let us see the next picture. This is an ant. Ant is an insect. So, we will circle the ant. This is a parrot. Parrot is a bird. So, we will not circle the parrot. Now, in the next picture, you can see a grasshopper. Grasshopper is an insect. So, we will circle the grasshopper. This is a cat. Cat is a domestic animal. So, we will not circle the cat. And now, let us see the last picture. This is a ladybug. Ladybug is an insect. So, we will circle the ladybug.
I hope you enjoyed this session and learned about insects. Okay, bye bye children. Take care. See you soon.